Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by ensuring SQL Server agent is running and the service account can write to the backup share. This prevents permission failures later. Once done, choose the backup type you need, full, differential, or log, and pick a consistent path such as /SQL backups /. Next, open SQL Server Management Studio and expand SQL Server Agent, then Jobs. You're about to create the job that runs backup database. This is the single scheduling path that reliably automates backups. Now create a new SQL Server Agent job and add a step using Transact SQL. You'll paste a backup database or backup log statement that specifies the file name pattern with init or format as needed and use backup compression to save space. Make sure to include basic error handling or wrap in try/catch so failures are detected, and send job output to a log file. Also add a maintenance step or separate job to remove old backup files, keeping disk usage predictable and automated. Finish by creating a schedule for the job. Pick the frequency and time window that avoids peak load and add retry attempts for transient errors. Once the schedule is saved, run the job manually to verify it, produces a backup file, and execute restore verifiantly against the backup to confirm readability. If something goes wrong, check SQL Server agent status, review the job history and agent logs, and confirm Windows account permissions on the backup folder. Those 3 checks resolve the majority of scheduling failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.